was the impossible quote here. Was put by Otis originally.
Yeah.
And Ilmarinkatu 6 tekee se. Today was
Ilmarinkatu.
Ilmarinkatu. It was a really difficult day today. But sometimes the days are too difficult. It can happen. It's quite a lot of bad luck today, but this light is not good. But 1927, so I'm not sure because I'm not sure. It's hard to remember this.
Yeah.
This number is 18068. Modernized with Kone pictures in 2002.
Yeah.
Here's just 1927 also. But the lights are broken.
Yeah.
Today was a day full of bad luck.
Yeah.
This is also in etutöillä, främmetöillä. Jälkeen useamman täällä. Close to Kone also.
Yeah.
The buttons don't have to beep here.
Yeah. Niin sun teet pakki vai pitää meitä nyt passinilla?
Yeah, like best history first, so 35 grams. Second way. We should have needed a torch now. But
Yeah.
that's it. Thanks so much. Then let's take a video and film later if I can.
Where is the SB?
I don't know, but they don't. There's A on the panel, but so there is no A.
Yeah.
That the A is on us.
That's
That's it.